the connections are also changes about the therapy you make. So device will come to you like this, okay, and with this pump head, this is for the irrigation, we put here. I will send all the videos to you. We will have Y connector. Yes, this is the multi-case, it's written here, so you can fill the serum distilled water in here, okay, or for the irrigation, only irrigation, you can directly use distilled water. Now I'm just showing you how to make all therapies and how we make connections, okay, and what you will need for it. Okay, let's say you have to put the multi-case here, okay, canister here, because why canister has to be always in the left side. We have right device and patient, you know, so this has to be close to the vacuum line. Okay, and please always ensure that this hose is going straight, not like this or not like this. Otherwise, it will give you alarm that canister is full or there is a leakage. Okay, and this hose goes to the patient directly. You make ozone or oxygen irrigation. You have to fill this with distilled water. Okay, it shows water in and gas. So think that this is distilled water. Okay, you will need a regular serum line.
Means saline water?
Yes, distilled water. Saline, not yeah.
Oh, normal water? Okay.
Normal water, no.
Saline water.
Saline water, yeah, distilled water.
Okay.
You will fill.
Yeah.
When it finishes, you will continue to fill.
Yeah. Okay.
Then we remove it, or it can be still. You will have this one, Y connector. Okay, just to remember, use the, you know, the soft one. You see the soft one. Okay, you can check.
Okay.
The soft one we connect here. Pump. Okay. Now we have one male and one female. Because we give gas from here, we will connect this one. So we will connect the female one to the male one. Okay, and this one for the gas, we will connect here. Like this. Okay. Here you see also it says oxygen output and input. In all hospitals they have this one. Okay. We connect this to the oxygen consumption supplier. Like we have here generator all here, but normally they will directly connect to the hospital too. Okay. Now these are the connections done from the back side. Is it easy?
Yeah.
I will send also the videos. Okay. Now I'm just reconnected, but consider this is connected to the ozone.
Okay.
We have different sets to use. Okay, with this device, you can use single ventouse set, double ventouse set, ozone bag for hand and for foot. Okay, consider this is the wand, and we make the foam, put the drape here, and ready. Okay, tomorrow they will show you how to make the dressing. Okay, after you prepare this one, you have this hose for the patient line. So I connect the other pump line to the patient line. Thin goes to thinner hose. Okay, these are both thin. And this,
good size.
yes, this goes to the other line. Okay, now the connections are done. Doctors decided.
Doctor decide.
But I can tell
We
you.
don't decide, yeah?
We don't decide, yes. But we can tell you if there is infection, a lot infection, then they have to use ozone or oxygen, because it kills the bacteria, you know, with
Okay.
ozone and oxygen.
Yeah.
So it's good. If the wound is so dry, then they can use irrigation. Some burns, for example, they have to make irrigation also at the same time. And all of our devices have moistening every hour, which means when you open it, every hour it gives a little moistening into the wound, so it will not stay dry. Yes,
Okay.
not so much, because we suck it again.
Yes.
You know?
Understand. So means they need to do the process and clean the wound first. After that,
Yes,
okay.
and,
Understand.
and non-stoply they have to use this.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, some of them says, okay, after 2 days, I stop making vacuuming and I use other creams, you know, something.
Yeah.
No,
Can-
please.
can-
No, they have to use it non-stoply, like maybe weeks, maybe 2 weeks. It depends on the wound. Till it heals, they have to use it non-stop.
Understand.
Do
So
you understand?
we will suggest them no need to use any gel or any
Yes.
medication. Just use
Don't
it.
mix lah. Don't
Yeah,
mix.
yeah. Because still under what vacuum,
Yep.
so cannot attach with anything.
Yes. Also, when it makes vacuum, for example, here in our canisters, you see filters. Okay, this filter protect the device, because if the exudate comes here, it can go to the device directly, and if the device engine gets the exudate, device will not work again.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you use cream, it gets, you know, foam, and goes to the here. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
So we don't recommend to use any gel or anything when you use VAC.
Okay.
Okay?
Except that water is okay.
Water for this.
Because of this,
Because
yeah.
it makes, yes. I mean, we have with this device, especially with this device, everything to heal the, you know, wound.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But our boss is always telling this. We are not healing the wound, you know. We make the body to heal itself faster. Because it has, you know, wounds has some liquid,
Yep.
you know,
Yeah.
blood cell liquid.
Right.
For example, if burn here,
Yeah.
then it becomes like a
Yeah.
mountain,
Yeah.
and body makes its own self, own drug. So we make it just to remove the bad cells and the dead cells, then make the body again to make alive cells. Okay, or just we are supporting actually.
But the length of time it depends on the doctor or for us.
Yes, doctor.
Doctor.
If wound is not so good, we say okay, 10 therapy averagely. 10 walk. 10 walk means like 30 days. Yes.
So once every 3 days.
Yes. Yeah, at most every 3 days they have to change the sets and
Oh,
the
I
canister.
see.
Yeah. Sometimes they say, okay, my canister is not full in 3 days like this, and my exudate is not a lot. My boss tell me, just tell them to change it every 3 days. But if not, you can check the market condition. Okay, maybe some of them will tell you, sir, I don't want to change this every time. It's not full and
Right.
it's expensive. Okay,
Right.
so this is up to
Okay.
you.
Okay. But the longest how long? If they say okay,
3 days.
No, 3
At
days.
most
is-
3 days.
At least 3 days.
Yes, this is recommended one.
Okay.
Okay, now all connection done for the all therapy. This is the 10th therapy.